What's up everybody and welcome to Skrrt Garage. I'm with my friend over here, Krishna. Today what we are going to do is another drag race video. And we're going to be racing this car right here, a 2008 Lexus ISF up against this right here. Is it a 2016? 2016 Audi S6. This is a twin turbo V8. This right here is a naturally aspirated V8. What size is the engine on this?
4 liter.
Okay, 4 liter. This is a 5 liter. And I think this is actually going to be a really good race because I looked it up ahead of time. This car weighs about 4,500 pounds and it makes about 450 horsepower and about 406 foot-pounds of torque. Whereas this car right here, the 2008 ISF, it makes 416 horsepower and 371 foot-pounds of torque. Now the big number that's going to change everything is the weight. This car weighs 4,500 pounds and this car weighs 3,800 pounds. So if you do the power to weight, this is getting right on about 10 pounds per 1 horsepower, and this is about 9.3 pounds per 1 horsepower. So we're gonna see what that actually equates to in the real world, because this, it's, you know, coming on 120,000 miles. This is significantly newer. This is an older transmission, so you could go back and forth, but I'm actually really curious to see how these cars stack up. So what we're gonna do is a quick exhaust comparison of these two cars. We'll do some standing start dig races and we'll do a couple highway pulls and we will see how they get on. Who do you think is gonna win it?
It'll be close.
I think so too. I think it's gonna be real close. All right, we'll find out. Let's go. That was really good.
Good though.
I'm scared. It's
Did I get the jump on you that time? I think that was the best one. I think that we timed it.
You got me.
Okay guys, what did you think of the races? Let's talk about it real quick. First off, it's really easy to say that the lighter car with a better power to weight ratio is going to win a race. And lo and behold, that is actually what happened. But there is a little bit more to this drag race battle than just power to weight. Because if that was the only sole factor, then the ISF would have won everything, but it didn't. The twin turbocharged V8 S6 won pretty convincingly the standing starts when it used its launch control. And I have to say guys, if you have an ISF or if you have a rear-wheel drive car and you're going up against an all-wheel drive Audi, especially with launch control and S in its nomenclature, you're gonna have a really tough time keeping up with it unless you also have all-wheel drive. When he used his launch control system, it really just left the line so quickly, and the 1 to 2 shift was so fast that unless it was like perfect conditions, you know, the wheels were hot, you're at a drag strip and you get perfect grip out of the hole, I don't know that ISF could beat it to 60 miles an hour. I mean, it might be able to, but it'd be really, really tough. When you do a no launch control race like we did at the stoplight, you can see that was a lot closer. I think the ISF actually lurched out ahead because in the turbocharged S6 car, unless the boost is ready, you have to build it. And so I think that's why the ISF initially jumped out, the S6 caught it, and then eventually the ISF pulled away. And so I think that's a very real world scenario if these two cars were to race at a stoplight. And so from a dig, that's what's gonna happen. When we talk about the roll races, again, when you do a 40 roll, it's a little bit different from a 60. I think that the ISF was more optimized or in its power peak around 40, 45 miles per hour. It was higher up around the tack, around like 4,500 or somewhere around there. And I think that helped the ISF kind of get an initial jump. At 60 miles an hour in third gear, I think that race actually better suits the Audi because it has a lot more turbo torque. And so, irregardless of the race, the ISF did pull away because of its power to weight. And even though the transmission in that car is old, it's still very, very fast. And you can bring the revs all the way out to red line, shift right at red line, and you're gonna bang into the next gear very quickly and you're gonna keep pulling. So guys, with that, that is the race. Please do me a kindness and give this video a big thumbs up. Also write a comment down below if you want me to keep making this style of drag race video. If you have any suggestions or anything else you'd like to see, also please let me know, and we will see you on the next video. Peace.